Hi guys, there's Dolly with the cage open. She's just come out to see her ma. See? Yeah. So Dolly does come out, but we have to obviously, she doesn't have much of an interest in flying, even though she hasn't got her wings clipped. But she's just going to find a way over to her mummy's head and watch TV, see? So yeah, Dolly comes out, guys. Please don't think that she's trapped in a we call it her house. It's your little house, isn't it, Dolly? Hey, you know, it's our girl. She wants to spend time with her mama, that's what I mean. And of course she loves gaming. See? It's just we have to put our little Chevy away too, because it's so, there we go. Dolly's time out.